Today's navies face a complex arena with dense environments and multiple long-range threats. Legacy EW systems are inadequate to protect fleets. They have limited detection and jamming ranges and cannot handle remote threats. They are also limited in their elevation angle and cannot handle threats that are high in the sky, such as maritime patrol aircraft. With these limitations, your vessel can be discovered by distant aircraft, leaving you without the ability to detect or react to the threat. Furthermore, the enemy will often attack with a salvo of missiles. Legacy systems have only single jamming beams, and they cannot handle simultaneous threats from different directions. A new level of electronic warfare capabilities is required in order to protect fleets and critical maritime infrastructure. Introducing Scorpius-N, IAI-ELTA's naval EW system, with revolutionary technology that dramatically boosts EW performance to address the emerging naval threats. At the heart of Scorpius-N is the unique multi-beam AESA. This antenna array stares in all directions simultaneously, covering the entire sea and sky around the vessel. As opposed to legacy EW systems, Scorpius reaches very high elevations and can address airborne threats. Scorpius-N constantly forms a detailed situational picture, automatically detecting and identifying air and surface targets in all directions. Scorpius provides a dramatic boost in sensitivity and in radiated power. It can therefore detect and jam targets at significantly greater ranges than legacy EW systems. Long-range maritime patrol aircraft are easily detected, and their imaging radar is disabled. Scorpius can detect missile seekers targeting the vessel for mid-course updates. The dramatic performance boost allows Scorpius to detect and jam radars even through their side lobes. This allows Scorpius to deflect missiles in their final approach, even by vessels positioned at the missile's sides. In case of multiple threats, Scorpius's unique multi-beam technology detects and jams them in all directions simultaneously. Scorpius forms an umbrella of electronic protection over a huge area, so a single system can escort and protect an essential convoy. Scorpius-N, IAI-ELTA's new naval EW system, the next generation of naval EW suite to protect your fleet from modern and future threats.